Malawians should know the masterminder of the Amaryllis deal. It is the government of Chakwera. It is Zamba. It is Zamba who masterminded this. And Zamba recruited Kizaso Nyilongo. It is Zamba who recruited Kizaso Nyilongo. And Kizaso Nyilongo went on.
Deputy,
still this man.
Deputy Leader.
Mr. Speaker,
can I have order, please?
I would want to say this. This side will not.
Deputy Leader, let me say this. Order.
Can I finish?
Order. Can I say something?
Can I finish?
Please sit down.
I will finish.
Deputy Leader, avoid mentioning names of people that are not.
I will withdraw the names, but I should say that this deal started in the previous government of my Congress party. This former. No. I will mention Zamba. I will mention Zamba again. And it is also Nyilango. I will mention. Now, honorable.